Alright, so this is example 4 in the book on page, this is page 242. So page 242, and we're supposed to simplify the nth root, or roots. And so they give us an example of the radical of 5 is the root, and we're looking at 32 m to the 15th. Okay, and so they don't do this, but I think it makes it a little bit easier to understand that if you break everything up that you see inside the radical into its kind of like smallest form, I think you can see things in a more clear way. So again, 32 is really 5 2's. So there are 5 2's. They're all multiplied to get me 32. And m to the 15th means that there are literally going to be 15 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 15 of them. And so when you do this, you can kind of see what's happening. That goes. This tells me how many I need to get just one of them out of the root. And so the 2 comes out. And then I start circling 5 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 1m. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another m. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a third m. So I have 3 m's that actually come out of the radical. And so that would be m to the third. And so you can see it that way, or you can see how they did it in the book as well, how they grouped it. But I think this is a clearer way of understanding how that comes about. So this was the A part. And then if you do a B, the B was the 4th root, and it's x to the 20th. And y to the 8th. Okay, and so instead of writing them all out, because we're starting to see this idea, we could write them in groups. So since I know that 4 divides into 20 5 times, I know that there is x to the 4th times x to the 4th times x to the 4th. Okay, because that's 4, that's 8, that's 12. Okay, x to the 4th, that's 16, x to the 4th. And you notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each one of these is an x coming out. And then we can do the y's. So y to the 4th and y to the 4th. And so each one of these I can take out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. So x to the 5th. And then there's only 2 y's that I can take out, so that would be y squared. So here is my simplify nth root for that. And so that's what I'd like you to do for the triads that are on the triads that I want you to do, which is also on the same page of 242. So do both of those problems and turn those in.